a garage door mic. That's pretty much the pile that's left. We tossed that whole thing in the dumpster. There's a little bit here and there. Here's a little bit of a mess. And we basically miraculously did a miracle for these people. We hung a 10x7 door, hollow, inside mount, low head, in a 6/6 opening. And can you believe it? There it is. Okay. Yeah, I know we kind of cockeyed that, but it's late at night here, and it is what it is. We're sending this, okay? It's late. It's like 11 o'clock. Been here for like 2.5 hours. We got it in 10x7, inside mount, low head, underground parking garage emergency install. And we calculated it to be that spring. You can't even see what the thing maybe catch up, and it's probably gonna work. You can kind of see it. It's hard to get the camera to adjust in here, but we actually added another strut. It was a little bit hot, but that's it. Low head. This thing was all messed up too. The jack, or not the jack shaft, the APT, this chain from them hitting it so hard, this thing twisted in a complete circle. I think something hit the opener cover here. This has kind of got a little dent in it too. I mean, there's wood fragments. There's one right there. Okay, there's stuff over there, stuff over there. I mean, whoever hit this thing, they came piling through here like a cannonball, pretty much. But we got this thing done for them. They're gonna be real happy they have a door here now, and this underground parking garage goes up and down smooth as butter. Emergency garage door installations. 630-271-9343, www.innovativedoor.com. Gonna be another quick video here because I am going home and taking a blazing hot shower and collapsing. Thank you for watching our video, part 2 of car versus garage door. And as always, I encourage everybody to praise the Lord. Good night.